Welcome to Soaping 101. Today we're going to make my favorite clean hand cream. You may be familiar with a famous maker product that comes in a bright orange bottle. Most likely it would be in your workshop or gardening shed. Well, here are the ingredients that I've taken directly from their website. Let's break down what's inside. Water, pumice or volcanic ash, which gives it grit. C1115 alkane, which is a solvent that dilutes heavy oil or crude oil. Laureth number 7 is used in this product as a surfactant and or an emulsifier. Limonene is the oil from citrus peels. PEG4 is both a humectant and a solvent. Jojoba oil. Tocopheryl acetate is a vitamin E derived conditioning agent. Amino-methyl propanol is simply a long name for a pH adjuster. Carbomer is used in this product to stabilize the emulsion and to increase viscosity. DM hydrothoin is most likely acting as a preservative and or a formaldehyde releaser. And lastly, another preservative is included. Some ingredients are good, while others are not something that we want to use on our skin. So let's reformulate. We'll leave out the water. We'll include the pumice because we want the grit to help loosen the dirt and grime, as well as we'll add some dried orange rinds. The Laureth 7 will be replaced with whipped soap base, and if you haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave it linked in the description below. The limonene can be subbed with orange essential oil. Glycerin will replace the PEG4 because it's a natural humectant. And we all love jojoba oil because it's so conditioning for the skin. And instead of using an ingredient that is derived from, let's use the true version of vitamin E. And then there's no need for any of the remaining ingredients because they have no benefit in our formulation. The preservative is already included in our whipped base, so we don't need to re-add it. Now let me show you how easily this comes together. Our whipped soap base is added to our mixer, and we'll whip it on high until it doubles in size and forms peaks. I'm adding the vitamin E oil. This is jojoba oil. Now the glycerin. And our orange essential oil is added. Then we'll whip it to incorporate. If you're curious about my recipe, it'll be included in the description below. If you're interested to see what we're up to next, be sure to follow us on Instagram. We're almost done. The final two ingredients are our orange rinds and pumice. You can fill your jars any way that you're comfortable with, but I think it's easiest and less messy to use a piping bag. I hope that you'll try this product out for yourself and maybe gift it to Dad for Father's Day. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.